Mattia Polibio is an American TikTok star best known for his lip-sync and comedic videos on the video-sharing platform TikTok. The oldest videos on his account were from November of 2018. He primarily made duets to start his TikTok journey. He is from Totowa, New Jersey. His father is Italian and his mother is Mexican. He has a younger brother named Gianluca. He is fluent in Italian and also speaks Spanish. Mattia Polibio was in a relationship with a girl named Jenna Hablitz. Following the split, he created a live stream in which he related to his fans that he was feeling heartbroken and dubbed his former girlfriend manipulative. In the initial days, he predominantly posted duets but later started creating his own content as well. His popularity has found its way to other social media sites as well. He regularly shows his videos inside his bathroom and they at times show him licking the toilet seat, toilet paper, toothpaste or something else. The oldest post on his Instagram dates back to October 20, 2019. It is a selfie in which he can be seen wearing a black t-shirt. Although he has posted only a handful of photographs on his page, he is very popular on the platform and receives hundreds of thousands of likes on each post. Mattia Polibio set up his self-titled YouTube channel on August 23, 2019. He posted his first video, which is a 3-second long clip titled September 21, 2019 on January 16, 2020. He is also active on Twitter, where he has garnered over 1,000 followers. His parents as well as his brother have made multiple appearances in his videos. Polibio is very proud of his Italian heritage. He has gotten fun on particular who thinks he is the greatest everywhere. She calls herself Mattia's baby girl and she has posted that he is the most attractive person on TikTok ever and a brief biography of his family and his life. Mattia Polibio receives quite positive and favorable reactions on his TikTok videos and that is why he has plenty of fans who love him and like him. He never fails to amaze each and every one of his fans with his comedy and full of talented videos. Along with comedy videos, Polibio also does lip-sync, duet creator and post blogs. Recently he uploads a reaction video on the new season of Stranger Things that is quite popular web series. There is no doubt that Mattia Polibio has achieved worldwide fame with his extremely excellent talent.